giant fluffy obstacle. Oh, no! My epic run has come to a tragic end. Ouchie. My knee needs immediate magical attention. Call the rescue squad.
Wee-woo! Wee-woo! The ultimate rescue team is here!
Please remain calm, patient. The ambulance is ready to roll. Turbo speed, driver! We have a severe case of a bumped knee. We made it! Welcome to the finest cardboard hospital in town. Thanks, Bingo. It looks amazing. I am Dr. Bingo. Let me examine this highly suspicious knee. Very interesting. This requires a magical X-ray. Look at these results. Your bones are dancing too much inside there.
Oh, no! Am I diagnosed with the dancing bone disease?
Hey, yes. And the only cure is eating this terrible green jelly medicine. No! No! Way! I am completely cured! Look, my knee is perfectly fine. I am just joking. The real medicine is this giant sweet lollipop. Wow! This is the greatest hospital in the entire world. I am glad you feel better. That will be exactly $1 million bucks. $1 million bucks? Oda! Kurda! I do not have any money at all. Time to escape! Floor it! Run for your life! No! Money! Get back here! You have to pay for the smiley face lollipop!
Whew! We made it out! I am officially safe from the hospital bill.
Okay. The doctor is officially off duty now. You win.
Hey, look over there. Ooh, did a meteorite land in our garden? That is definitely not a rock. It looks like alien technology.
Wow! It is a pair of super shiny space boots. They are glowing. They look exactly like my size. I am going to try them on. Ooh, that feels amazing. It is like stepping on a cloud. Powering up. I feel totally weightless right now. I am Zeke. I am Spider Dog. The wall is my new floor. I am like a magical balloon. Gravity is totally broken. Whoa! You can do magic. Bravo! Bravo! Can I please have a turn next? That looks amazing.
This is magnificent. But now the whole world looks upside down.
Hey, Kate, down there. Who turned off the actual floor? It is crazy up here.
Here you go, Spider Dog. Catch some floating juice. I got it. Yes. Whoa. Look at that. Is it a giant green jelly mountain? It is. What is it doing here? It feels extremely squishy. Like a giant gummy bear. Super bounce attack. This is the best bouncy toy ever. Going, wing. We are the greatest jelly jumpers.
Release me, you giant green blob. I am a respectable garden decoration.
Oh no! Mr. Gnome is trapped inside the green jelly monster. Operation Free the Gnome is a go! Heave-ho! Just a little bit more. Bingo! We got it! Yeah!
Gotcha! You slippery little garden gnome. You are safe now.
Wait a minute. Is this magical slime actually lime-flavored?
It is absolutely delicious. It tastes exactly like sweet rain. Whoa! This is the best magical cleanup job ever!
Say slime. Slime. I think I got lime jelly in my nose, but it was totally worth it.
Giggles! Worth it! Whoa!
I definitely did not order the magic special, did you?
No?
Didn't think so.
Yeah.
Whoa! I definitely did not order the magic special, did you? It is absolutely beautiful. The most perfect pizza in the world!
Whoa!
Look at that magical cheese pull! It completely defies all physics. Wait! It just grew back instantly! It is an infinite pizza!
Do not judge me. It is completely free. It is completely free infinite pizza.
I am building a giant pizza castle for my plushie dolls.
Uh-oh. I think the magical box is completely stuck on party mode.
Kabonga!
Watch out for the flying pepperoni slices.
Run! It is the giant mozzarella monster! A total cheese eruption is imminent!
It is so incredibly sticky. We are completely trapped in deliciousness.
The cheese currents are very strong today. We cannot let it ruin the living room rug. Ah!
Incoming spicy disc. We need a super defensive strategy immediately. You shall not pass without dipping sauce. I have to close the magic lid. Sleep time, magic pizza box. The eruption is officially canceled.
Oh, so may Pinion call it Eve. Who exactly is gonna clean this giant mess up? Yeah, I'm not sure.
Munch, munch, munch. This is an excellent cleanup strategy.
There is only one way to clean this up. We have to eat our way out. All gone. I definitely cannot feel my paws past the pizza crust anymore. Me neither.
Whoa! Look at that shiny crate. Did the pizza send a dessert box?
Behold! I am the FutureBot 3000, initiating chore sequence.
I don't know about this. Me neither. It looks kind of bossy and very strict. I absolutely love him. Mucho obra. Can we please call him Mr. Shiny Pants? Yes.
Systems online, preparing to serve and eliminate all dirt immediately.
Operation Relax is a go. This is definitely the life I could get used to.
Me too, Bluey. It's the best.
Bingo! No! Stop right there. That button is red for a very good reason. Oops, sorry, Bluey. Cancel! Cancel! Mr. Shiny Pants is going totally out of control.
Hey, back off! My beautiful tail is not dirt. Bad robot. Very bad robot.
Bingo, stand back. I'll protect you. We definitely need to find the stop button before he vacuums the whole house.